Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope for March 17 to 23 para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Capricorn. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share po. Kaya hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, at Rising nyo kasi importante ito para sa inyo. Sa end po ng video natin, we have a link for this. Panoorin po natin yun. Tandaan natin, the readings are for guidance purposes, so kindly use your free will wisely. And ini-invite ko rin po kayo mag-click ng join button sa baba para maging member. At pag member po kayo, you will have access to our extended readings at sa iba pong mga benefits pa. For private readings po, Spellworks, message po kayo sa ating page, an admin will help. The link is in the description below. At sa gusto pong mag-donate, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung thanks button sa baba. Capricorn, how are you? So we have here the Empress and Blessed. You know what? Having a positive mindset, having a positive disposition natin sa buhay, importante yun. Kasi, people, mapapansin mo yun di ba? People na masyado negative, sila din talaga yung mga tipo na punong-puno din ng mga negative mindset yan. Sila talaga yung puro, masasabi natin, puro malas ang nadadanas sa buhay. Puro negative things yung dumarating sa kanila. But, yung mga tao naman, na good yung mindset nila, doon at they are looking forward, hindi sila nagpapadala doon sa mga nangyayari sa buhay nila, but they're looking at yung mga bagay na hindi maganda, ititignan nila bilang opportunity for improvement, or it's a blessing in disguise to. Sila din yung sunod-sunod naman yung mga pagpapalang dumarating. Sila yung sunod-sunod naman yung mga natatanggap na mga blessings. However, of course, positive mindset is not just enough. Ando na sinasabi dito ng cards mo, with the card of the Empress, that, sabi nga, di ba, nasa Diyos ang awa, sa tao ang gawa. So this card is actually calling you to also act, to also move, to also do, and act doon sa minamanifest mo. Yung sasabi nga, pray for your works and work on your prayer. So, it's a dual thing. Hindi naman tayo si Juan Tamad na nag-positive thinking tayo. Babagsak din yung bayabas. No. Actions is required by the universe right now para sa'yo. You have a great plan, you have a good mindset, ang ganda ng goals mo. Ang question sa'yo ng universe, when? When ka gagalaw? When mo gagawin yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Kailan ka uusad, kailan ka mag-take ng second step mo, kailan ka susunod doon sa mga ino-open na doors ng universe para sa'yo. When will that be? And with the Empress, hindi lahat ng nararamdaman natin is actually dapat pinapakinggan natin. There are times that the universe is saying as well, you need to fight that. Kasi, it's a way for the universe to train you to be the master ng emotions mo. This is your crossing card actually, the Four of Pentacles and Deep Knowing. Ang dami kasi sa inyo in this house, medyo ang dami yung dahilan, kesyo this, kesyo that. That's the scary thing. Yung nakakatakot kapag masyado din tayo maraming alam. Na masyado natin na nagiging logical yung explanation sa lahat ng bagay to support on the manifestation that we're doing. Pero sometimes the most simplest explanation, yun talaga yung tamang explanation. Sabi nga ng isang psychologist, sometimes the simplest things to explain something is the right thing. Minsan yung pinakasimpleng bagay para ipaliwanag isang bagay, ang totoong bagay doon. So, ito yun isa sa mga crossing mo Sometimes you need to take that, challenge ka ng universe to take a leap of faith para sumunod ka doon or to go against doon sa nararamdaman mo. Para minsan, hindi ko feel na gawin to kasi feeling ko ganito, ganyan. You need to stop, sabi ng card. Stop ka muna. Evaluate mo. Is that feeling really coming from the universe na binibigay sa'yo bilang guide? O ikaw lang yun kasi masyado mo pinapagana yung isipan mo? Masyado mong binibigyan ng explanation para ma-justify na hindi mo siya gagawin. So, yun yung challenge ngayon sa'yo ng universe, Capricorn. Now, your desired card is the Seven of Cups and Unfinished Symphony. there will be a lot of andun yung point na, yes, manifestation is good, yung mga law of attraction, pero may mga bagay na on your end, kailangan mo din siyang tapusin. May mga bagay sa end mo na kailangan mo din putulin. May mga bagay sa sarili mo na alam mo kailangan mo nang i-stop. Because at the end of the day, deep inside, you know, those things, those actions, those mindset, those people then, hindi na healthy para sa'yo. Hindi na maganda yung energy na dala sa'yo. So, ito na yung moment na sinasabi din ng card sa'yo na with the 7 of Cups. Sometimes emotions o yung feeling natin will help us make the right decision. Yung siguro sa Tagalog tinatawag na kutob, pakinggan mo rin to. Kumbaga, ibangga mo dito yung alam mo. Because your mind is where your knowledge is, but your heart, andoon kasi yung wisdom. Andoon yung guidance ng universe. At ang nakakaloka sa universe kasi, madalas napapansin ko sa akin as experience ko, laging talimos sa knowledge ko, sa alam ko yung mga pinapagawa niya. But, pag nag-take naman ako ng leap of faith as sinunod ko yun, yung results naman, perfect naman. Pero in my logic, dapat hindi. But of course, since the universe is wiser than us, then million times mas magaling siya sa atin, trust the universe tayo. Diba? Your foundation is here, the Lovers and the Loyal Heart. Well, actually yung hinahanap nyo is more on a companionship. Kasi napapansin nyo yung mga naging relationships nyo before or even your current romantic relationships, hindi nila magets yung concept of give and take. Hindi nila mag-grasp na you're not actually di ka naman nagde-demand or actually bare minimum na yung hinihingi mo eh. Minsan nga below minimum pa. Pero hindi pa rin nila ma-acknowledge yun. Hindi nila masuklian ng proper. Then, this is also a good time. Kaya siguro na ganun na a lot of you sa House of Capricorn, in a way, nag-give up na. Parang, hindi na pinapursue yung that special connection. You learn how to be contented on pinili nyo na maging kontento kung ano yung binibigay ng universe sa inyo. Now, that is your way para protektahan yung emotions mo. Pero, what if meron ipapadala universe? What if, anytime soon pala, there should be a person who will be knocking at your door. May dalang parcel. Hindi, may dalang yung hinahanap mo for the longest. So, don't close your doors yet. Pwede, sarap may pinto, but keep your windows open. Ngayon, yung sa past, we have here the Chariot and Chaos and Conflict. Well, siguro, in general to, no? Ang dami sa may, Sun, Moon at Rising ng Capricorn. Madalas dysfunctional yung family nyo, no? And what I'm seeing here kasi, with the Chariot, and Chaos and Conflict, it's more likely on the male energy side, yung mga issues. Sa either pwedeng tatay, or kapatid lalaki, or kapatid, regardless kung babae lalaki, pero siya yung tumatayo na nag-emit ng male energy, or andun din na, this could be a tito, lolo, something. Basta, it's a male figure, or a male energy, na nagiging cause ng dysfunction doon sa family nyo. Now, andun din, kaya siguro, when you love someone, you take care of someone, andun talagang, ay hindi kasi ginawa sa akin to before. So, alam ko yung pakaramdam, gagawin ko to para sa tao. And yun yung parang way mo, silent way mo of saying, ginagawa ko to kasi I'm hoping ibalik mo din sa akin. I'm hoping na yung pinaparanas ko sa'yo, yung pinibigay ko sa'yo, attention, pagmamahal, at pag-unawa, ibalik mo din sa akin. So, I get it naman na ganun yung, you're trying to heal yourself through healing others. Pero kasi nga, nakalungkot lang, hindi kasi lahat ng tao ganun eh. generally, lahat ng tayo mga tao, in general, selfish tayo. Self-centered tayo. Rare na mag-isip tayo for the well-being ng ibang tao. Ang hirap din sa end mo makahanap ng ganong klaseng individual or group of people. Yung possible future mo kasi, we have here is the card of death, tsaka si round and round. Well, expect ko talaga may mga patterns na babasagin ng universe sa'yo. Na may mga, these patterns will be more from your mindset, sabihin natin yung mga paniniwala na it may pwedeng nag-work siya dati pero ngayon hindi na siya applicable. Mga strategies before na effective but hindi na applicable ngayon. Example, sa advertising, di ba? But dati, para makapag-advertise ka, kailangan sa dyaryo, sa radyo, tsaka sa TV. Now, hindi na siya effective. Ang strategy na is through the social media platforms. Pwede na maging way on to reach out and advertise. So, yun to yung, kumbaga, may mga i-correct yung universe sa'yo on how ina-approach mo yung mga bagay. Kumbaga, sabi nga na sa church namin is same message but different approach. Kung naka-resonate ka sa readings natin, invite po kita to click the join button sa baba and be a member para magkaroon ka ng access doon sa mga extended readings natin and other perks as well. So ngayon, tuloy natin yung reading mo. Meron tayo dito na sa physical environment mo, it's the Six of Pentacles and the Thinker. Well, 6 is about harmony and this is a good time, sinasabi ng cards, that you go back to the basics of financial knowledge or financial education. Kumbaga, dito yung point na you look into it na. Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng attention kasi a lot of you guys nag-iisip, paano, saan napunta yung pera? Or what happened to this and to that? Then, this is a good time for you to note it down. Siguro, one example yung, I forget anong tawag yun, yung sa Japanese yun, na meron silang, about sa kanila, they have this ledger, lahat, nalagay nila sa isang side, lahat ng income, and the other side, lahat ng expenses. So, they can track saan at saan napupunta yung pera. So, the income, hindi lang yung work, sabi ito, meron kang bank account, the interest, or literal pati napulot daw na pera, ganun, note nila. And the expenses, ultimo pati yung biniling candy, o isang sachet ng betchin sa tindahan. All noted. This will allow you to see how you really are when it comes to your finances. Kasi, a lot of you in this house, I'm saying that one of the struggles is with regards to keeping the finances in a stable position. Nakakapagod naman kasi gawa ka ng gawa. Pero hindi talaga na-allocate ng properly. So, prioritizing how mo i-flow yung finances mo will be one of the main themes na ita-target ng universe din para sa'yo. Your emotional environment naman, si Breathe, tsaka si Ten of Pentacles. Well, andito yung point na paano ko ba ipuput into the right words? Well, there will be an opportunity kasi din eh. And then your heart is hoping na you claim this certain opportunity na pwede mag-bring sa'yo ng financial breakthrough. Kumbaga, it's one of your dreams, one of your hopes. Isa siya sa mga desires mo. And ang maganda dito, naging part na siya ng emotions mo. Meaning, kumbaga parang, it's already, yung pagpaulit-ulit na ginagawa, it's becoming an attitude or a behavior. So, andoon na, hindi ako magtataka na this is something that your heart is really longing for. Kasi kailangan na tunin sa'yo that financial breakthrough. Given that may mga ibang responsibilities ka na gusto mong masettle. And also, there are certain individuals na sabihin lang natin na you want to suklian mo yung mga ginawa sa'yo through all this time at maibalik mo naman yung mga magagandang bagay sa kanila. Yan, si Mikay po, nakiki-join sa atin. Your hopes and fears we have here is the 5 of Wands and a leg up. You know what, investing in people is also a good thing. Especially kapag alam mo na yung mga taong ito, hindi naman sila yung tipong user-friendly. And what I'm seeing here kasi, you're also hoping na you can get the help that you need. Hindi ko alam kung saang aspect ng life to eh. But some of you is nakikita ko dito is mostly on the career side. And with one of the hopes I kita ko dito with the 5 of Wands is that you are trying to find a way na, sabihin lang natin, to make things simple. Kumbaga, pagod ka na sa mga complicated explanations and mga taong komplikado na ang simple ng anong sinasabi mo na parang feeling ko nga para kahit grade 1 magigets yung sinasabi mo. Hindi nila magets. Unfortunately, may mga ganong tao talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong level na comprehension meron sila. This is a way, although you're hoping na para mailayo ka sa ganon, pero it's one of the tests na our training area na gawin ng universe para sa'yo, para you will know how to handle such individuals moving forward eh. Because yun sa possible future mo. Si Knight of Cups, tsaka time to go. Hindi ko alam kung epekto ng Mercury retrograde pero what I'm seeing here, there will be individuals from your past who will really try to reconnect with you. Some of them gagawa ng paraan para makipag-reconnect sa'yo. Pero may iba naman na darating na lang sila unexpectedly. Hindi rin nila pinaplan, pero sa universe na yung mag-open ng doors para maganap ito. And this will be an opportunity para sa'yo at sa mga taong to find out ano ba talaga. Is it really, pwede ba mag-start over again yung connection? Or is it something for the closure na? So, when do we expect this to happen? So, i-check natin siya sa iyong extended reading. And to access the extended readings, i-click mo yung join button sa baba. Now, remember the readings we did are for guidance purposes. So, use your free will wisely. And kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings or spell works, pwede kayo mag-message po sa ating Facebook page and admin will help. And yung link nasa description sa baba. For donations, you can use po yung thanks button din. So, Capricorn, maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, blessed be. And I'll hope to see you sa extended readings natin. Wala po dito sa Dominican Hill and Baguio City. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.